Did you know there are hundreds of millions of people streaming music, podcasts, and online radio every single day on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, and others? And what if you could launch your very own AI-powered streaming platform and tap into this monstrous $294 billion industry and grab your own profit share? Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. In the next 45 seconds, I'll show you how we create our hypermedia streaming platforms preloaded with over 100 million playlists, music, soundtracks, podcasts, audiobook, and live radio channels, then fill it with hundreds of paying subscribers. And make money like this every day. All without coding, designing, hosting, promoting, or marketing anything. I know it sounds weird, but this is exactly what we and hundreds of our members have been doing for the past 13 months. We use AI to create and launch hypermedia streaming platforms that are 13 times better than Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music combined. With just a few clicks and in under 60 seconds. But it gets better. We use the same never-seen-before AI engine to fill our newly created platform with hundreds of paying customers, without running any ads or waiting ages. In fact, Sonic sends us the very first paying customer within minutes of creating our streaming platform. That's not all, my friend. With Sonic, you'll be able to transform your hypermedia streaming platform into iOS and Android apps just by pressing one button, giving you extra exposure to billions of potential customers easily. Again, all of that without you coding anything, without designing anything, and without marketing anything. Imagine that you can create the next Spotify or Apple Music with just a few clicks. Imagine having hundreds of customers paying you month after month to enjoy your hypermedia streaming platform. Let me show you how easy it is to start with Sonic.